Hey, so you know what? I believe one of the biggest problem why we cannot be consistent on doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing, or art, meditating, literally anything, is because of the limiting beliefs that we've got. Okay? But on this video, I'm not just gonna, tell you guys the importance of having the right mindset and also I don't know, motivational story, blah 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 blah. No, on this video, I'm just gonna be giving a really straight to the point guide on how you can actually be consistent by removing the limiting beliefs. Okay? So that's why this is March 20th, 2025, and this is gonna be day 255 of consistently helping people build consistency. So again, this is just gonna be, straight step to the step guide on how to let go of all the limiting beliefs. But before that, let's, look into the problem first, right? Maybe, for most of us, we got this limiting belief that, hey, you know what? Why do I even need to start to be consistent at doing exercising or studying? You know what? I've been trying for years, and I know the cycle. The cycle here is that I'm gonna be feeling motivated for like some time, and then I started to do that thing. Everything goes well, but then my motivation decreases, and I stop even before day 7. So I know, like there's no point in actually trying to be consistent because I'm just gonna be stopping anyway. So what's the point on trying? Okay, so that's one of the limiting beliefs that exists. Okay, I don't know about you, but for most people, they've got that kind of belief. I'm just gonna stop anyway before day 7, before day 14. I know the cycle, so why do I need to try anyway, right? So the thing that we wanted to be doing here is that we want to break, okay? We want to break that limiting belief. And again, I'm not going to be giving you guys, some some motivational stories, or maybe like the importance of having the right belief, blah 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 blah. No, I'm just gonna be telling you guys the actual step by step on how to actually remove those limiting beliefs. So how? Basically, the thing that we need to be doing is that we need to have a clear proof, a clear evidence on why, on how that particular belief is wrong. Okay? Why that particular belief is wrong. Okay? So here's a really practical thing that we need to be doing. Okay, again, example, we got this belief that, yeah, I'm not going to be able to make it. My motivation is going to be gone in before 7 days. I know the cycle. Okay? So let's just create some counter trend to this. Okay? We are going to prove something that's different, something that oppose this limiting belief. Let's just say, okay, you know what? Create a goal of, doing something small but consistently. Okay, doing something small but consistent. For example, like, oh yeah, from today on, I'm going to be reading a book for at least 5 minutes every single day. Okay, that's something really realistic, something really, specific, something really clear, right? So once we've set this target, we are gonna be thinking like, I know what, yeah, I kind of think like, I'm gonna be stopping, at some particular time of this journey. But yeah, like what you like 5 minutes every single day. Yeah, I kind of, like I can actually do that for 7 days. Yeah, I can actually do that. Why don't we just try? Okay. So the thing that you need to do here is that to actually do that target, which is something that's pretty easy, and not really that hard, and really realistic, really achievable, and do it for 7 days. Okay, maybe you want to set a schedule, maybe like, oh yeah, read a book for 5 minutes at least every 5 a.m. or maybe like every 5 p.m. Okay, just create a clear schedule, because if you don't create a clear schedule, there's a big chance of you to procrastinate, postpone, and not doing it, even only 5 minutes. Okay, so even that this is only like 5 minutes, you need to take it seriously, right? And then and then after you finish the task for 7 days, the thing that's going to happen is here. You kind of actually have proven to yourself that this belief, this limiting belief that, oh, you know what, I'm going to stop before day 7 is wrong. you have already proven it. Okay, even if it's just 5 minutes, you've been proving to yourself that it's possible for you to actually create a goal, actually do that goal. Okay, to it's actually possible to stick to a goal consistently for 7 days. So basically, the limiting belief has already, being falsified, right? It's wrong. Okay, but some part of your brain might actually like say think like, oh, you know what? It's only like 5 minutes. Like everybody can do it. It's nothing. Only 5 minutes. Well then, okay. That kind of mindset, that kind of like thoughts are going to come because like our brain, it wants to maintain this kind of like limiting beliefs, right? It kind of like likes to doubt ourselves. So the thing that we are going to be doing here is that, okay, then we are going to say, okay, let's try 10 minutes every single day. Okay, let's try 10 minutes every single day. But actually, we've still broke, like like the limiting belief is already broken, right? But we need even stronger evidence, right? So the thing that we are going to be doing here is that we are going to increase the number into 10 minutes every single day. So here's the thing: 10 minutes every single day, okay, if we start from 5 minutes, then we increase it to 10 minutes, the probability of us to actually sticking to that thing is going to be bigger. It's going to be higher. Why? Because we have already proven to ourselves that, hey, I can do 5 minutes for 7 days. Adding 5 minutes more isn't going to be that much of a mess. I have one, proven to myself that this is something that's realistic, but two, not only that this is something realistic, this is I can I actually have the willpower to actually do it because I can just choose to be lazy and not do it, but I actually do it, right? So basically, we are proving ourselves two things, right? And this is even more proving the limiting belief is wrong. Okay, and then once we have once we've stick to the 10 minutes every single day, for the next 7 days, the limiting beliefs even get weaker and weaker because we have consistently proven to ourselves that this limiting belief is wrong. Okay, even if we just progressing slowly, like we make the limiting belief uh, feels like something even wrong every single day, right? And at some point, right, when you just increase it every single day and sorry, every single week, and you actually manage to get to, maybe 20 minutes every single day, 30 minutes every single day, this kind of limiting belief of, you know what, it's only 5 minutes or it's only 10 minutes, it's not going to be there anymore because your brain kind of know like, you know what, like 20 minutes every single day, 30 minutes every single day, not everyone can actually do that. That's actually something hard. That's actually something decent. And that's something that you need to be proud about, okay? So basically, that's how you actually proving to yourself that the limiting belief is wrong, right? And that's how you actually build the confidence on being consistent at doing a particular positive thing. Okay. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Bye bye. Thank you. Don't forget to join our Discord. Oh, and yeah, for today's date, authenticity post today's March 20th, 2025. And this is an Mimzar post that I'm this old post last 24 hours. Thank you.